Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can post Shopee affiliate links on Facebook. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to Shopee platform and just sign in or log in your account on Shopee. In which below here, it will show us a variety of options of product that we can use to affiliate in our Facebook account. But make sure that in choosing a product in Shopee, you also need to remember some of the trends, the reviews, and other factors before choosing a specific product on this platform. So let's say I'm going to choose this headphone. So can I click on it, and from here, it will show us the 4.6 rating, which is excellent. And if you scroll down below here, it will show us some of the details, including the review from other customers that already purchased this specific product. And after choosing a product, just simply copy the link of it. So can I click the link on the top? And after selecting it, just simply copy. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply go to affiliate.shopee.com. And from here, you need to sign in by filling out all of the required information. Then you will be directed on this dashboard. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating and just proceed by clicking this custom link. Wherein below here, all we need to do is to simply paste the link that we just copied earlier in order to create a custom link to direct your traffic to a specific Shopee page. And aside from that, you could also select a multiple products and just simply copying the link of it. So for instance, I'm going to choose this one, which is mini foldable pan. And from here, just simply copy the link of this product and go over again to this page and just simply paste the link of it. Then below here, you could also enter a sub ID number 1, 2, 3, and many more. Example of it is this sport shoes. But as you can see, I just entered technology, while for this sub ID 2, I just enter sale. And after filling out all the required information, just click this get link, and it will show you a pop-up window which contain a short link. So kindly copy this link by clicking this button. Then after that, just go to your Facebook account and just start posting a specific content. And from here, just simply paste the short link or the custom link that we just copy. And below here, you could also add images, media files, by simply going back to the Shopee page and saving the images of the picture of the products that you want to affiliate. Then just simply attach it in here. And after editing the content, just proceed by clicking the post button below here in order to post the Shopee affiliate links on your Facebook. And after that, it will show you what it looks like. So when the customers try to click on a specific link, they will be directed on this Shopee page. And when they try to purchase this product, you will get the commission. So that is just basically how you can post Shopee affiliate links on Facebook. So if you think this video was helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.